In the picturesque landscapes of Tavistock, Devon, where creativity meets affordability, ABC Service brings you a gateway to visually stunning communication. Welcome to our hub of graphic design excellence. At ABC Service, we understand the power of graphic design in connecting with your audience. From Tavistock to Plymouth and Okehampton, our talented team is dedicated to transforming your ideas into captivating visuals. Our designers, adept in a myriad of industries, take the time to understand your business, ensuring every creation aligns seamlessly with your brand identity.
ABC Service made my vision come to life. Their attention to detail and industry knowledge set them apart.
From dynamic logos to eye-catching flyers, compelling posters to elegant business cards, our services cover it all. We specialize in logo design, flyer design, poster design, leaflet design, banner design, invitations, letterheads, greeting cards, business cards, adverts, and much more. Based in Tavistock, Devon, we extend our creative prowess to clients across Devon and Cornwall. Ready to make your business stand out through the power of graphic design? Contact ABC Service today. Your vision, our creation.